The mother loves.
But I'm 40. What's up, y'all? Oh. It's Mel and Keisha back with another Eating Chat. I'm Mel.
I'm Keisha.
And together we're walking the fat woman's shoes.
Yay.
Tonight's dinner, we have fried catfish, shrimp, scallops, and potato salad with a side salad. Yeah. Our sauces, we got the Stairway cups, our sauces and stuff. I got some ketchup with hot sauce. Keisha made some tartar sauce. And we've got the bowl of lemons, of course. We drink it on that good old H2O. And there go the cuss jar. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there it is. I finally replaced it. Never went in the room and got it. They're like leftovers. That was like our first concept of a last...
Alonzo's party last year. And we brought 5 of them before we changed it around and just used the vases for the goldfish. Okay, we good?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, go ahead on, say grace.
God is good, God is great. Thank you for the meal. About your receive, bless your holy name, bless the bears of the meal. Amen.
Amen. Look at that. That's the potato salad. I don't know what it is about the white plate. The potato salad not white, but hey. And them scallops, them shrimp, and that fish. Yeah, that's a better view. Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Oh well, I'm not gonna straight out eat my salad first.
I know I'm not.
You got your dressing?
Yeah. I got some little packets of
she got
dressing.
By who?
No mayonnaise today. This little Kraft.
And I got that cans. That's it, Sherry. If you could see it. All right.
So, what's going on with you guys? Let us know if y'all eating with us.
Dang, they had that packet for this whole salad. They tripping.
Also, let us know how y'all day going.
What y'all weather was like? Y'all got that cold front that's coming down from the Rockies? We didn't.
You was wrong for this little bit. Yeah.
Hey, it is what it is. Okay. We only got one birthday today?
Seems that way.
You gonna go ahead on and look, I'm gonna move that out.
You do it, baby.
And I'm gonna move that too. All right, y'all good. Terrell, I'm gonna send you in the room with Alonzo in a minute. You don't never want to get on camera, but you always got stuff to say. Trying to cut people off and stuff. You want to come get in the camera? Say hello.
Hello.
I say come get in the camera and say hello.
Okay. What? Hey guys. There you go.
There who go?
You go.
If you think so. Yeah. What about Daddy Big Boy Helper?
Daddy Big Boy Helper.
Hey everybody.
No,
what you say yuck for?
This is the king, Blake Asylum.
What is that?
Yeah, I'm eating a little bit of this because I'm not about to fill up on no salad. I don't know what somebody was thinking about salad and potato salad. I'm just gonna leave it alone.
Oh, my bad.
And then the dressing is nowhere on the salad. I know. You already put 2 packets on and that should be enough. Don't judge me.
I ain't say nothing to you.
I'm not fucking with you.
That wasn't no dressing. You want the rest of this ranch? You actually gonna eat your whole salad first?
No. I'm just being honest, y'all. I'm not gonna do that. Eat about 6 bites. I'm good.
I normally don't fry my scallops. Well, I do, but I normally just sear them, really. I don't fry them. That's that sea scallop. There we go. You have a spoon for this?
Mm-hmm.
I like them, but they too fishy. They're real, real fishy. Sometimes they're gritty, like this one. Them big scallops, though, you gotta watch with them, cause they way smaller. You mess around overcook them, you'll be chewing all night like you're chewing on some double meat.
Scallop. This one not ready. I love potato salad with my fish, but I eat fries with them too.
What we doing tomorrow?
I don't know, it's up to you.
I
know what I'm doing tomorrow.
What?
I'm going to school.
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm like, are we doing an eating chat tomorrow or whatever, whatever?
That's up to you.
Because I think I'm going to go ahead on and knock that celery challenge out.
Okay, well. You gonna put it on here?
On what? On walking
On
in
here.
fat woman's shoes? Nah. I might put the bars on here.
With the celery, you have to eat the whole celery, the whole thing? One stalk or...
You have to eat at least 5.
I'm sorry, at least 5?
Mm-hmm.
Can't do it.
Well, I'm going to be picking and looking at them celery like, I need just the thin stalks. Just the thin stalks.
Mm-hmm. Better get the organic ones. They're little.
The organics.
The organic ones is little. They come in a bag.
No, I'm not talking about them little short cut up ones. That's kind of cheap. No. I might as well do 10 of them. And I ain't going to do that, so. Might as well go ahead and get the real celery and call it a day. Oh, that's going to be difficult for me. I eat celery, but with peanut butter.
I love when I can just cut my scallop, cut my scallop with my fork. That's how you know it be all tender.
You finished already?
You finished?
I didn't even start. I only ate 1 shrimp, 1 scallop.
Oh no. Just skip into the fish and the potato salad. Nothing like it.
I was supposed to cook some peas with this. You like that tartar sauce?
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Like, what's wrong with a dab up of ketchup and call it a day?
nothing.
That's how Jenna Chaos say he like his with tartar sauce. Is this the same song?
Mm-hmm. Well,
You ain't hear me what I said?
is this the same song? Well,
You saw me grab this phone, right?
mm-hmm. Really?
Wrong phone.
No.
It was in my pocket. Wrong phone again. Oh no,
You
it's
got
not.
the right one?
It's the same broad, different song.
Yeah.
Man,
It's so good.
what?
What's this? All of it.
You think? I ain't never started with none of the other stuff yet. I ain't touched my fish on my potato salad yet.
You know what? Yeah. Fuck with the potato salad. It's alright.
I had a little on my.
Can't be trying to be cute, eating no fish and shrimp and I'm gonna do what it do.
Using your fish with a fork?
Mm-hmm. Cutting it, stabbing it. Good.
See them big white pieces? They could have kept that in the factory. I go another one. I don't know.
I'm sorry, y'all. Every now and again, you might hear me hum something. I'm listening to music.
Oh, you're not. Dinner music.
Huh?
Dinner music.
Right, yeah. Jazz.
You listening to jazz? I'm listening to R&B.
You?
What you mean?
You never listen to
I do listen to R&B.
Every time I hear you listening to something and I can hear it, it's that little boy.
That's because you don't like that little boy, so your ear is trained to hear him.
It's not that I don't like him, I just prefer that would have been an adult. Now one of them children put the rock on my jazz. Oh my God.
You don't like jazz?
Yeah, I like jazz. The rock, big.
This is that's you know, rock.
What you listening to? Let me see.
Now I'm listening to them.
What's that? Let me see. Wait.
Mop. M.O.P.
Excuse me.
You can hear it? Okay, good. I ain't trying to,
Right here.
be disrupting
Other
nothing.
ones you can hear in the song I listen to.
Let me see that again.
Okay, hold on.
right ones, you get anything you listen to. Boy, mom listened to Dog Nigga by Prince. I heard that. Honey, golly. No,
My
Pleasure.
huh?
My sister was saying yesterday
Pleasure.
the world is made up of Android and Apple owners, well, users. And I was like, nah, that ain't true, because I can operate between both of them. Dang, you got over 500 songs on this playlist?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's a
What
lot.
you looking for? I could take you to it if you tell me what you're looking for.
Oh, my
It don't
bad.
matter. I like that. It don't matter. I like the song.
Like, what number is it
What? What are you talking about?
on your playlist?
What number? What are you talking about, baby?
What number is this song?
This, I forgot. It's like in the five.
500s?
That song is like either in the early 500 or the right at the end 400.
You have that many songs on
Yeah.
here?
Yes. Like 514 songs.
I got thousands of songs.
Mom,
On
But
this
that
one
playlist,
playlist?
no, that one playlist only have 514.
514.
yes. I said the
Yeah.
same thing, man.
The Wolf
I mean, I
on
like
Wall.
music, y'all. So,
That's a nice song.
oh yeah, I like the
What
wolf.
song?
I'm glad I introduced you to it.
Yeah,
Wolf.
I really like that. From
Oh no, that ain't on here.
what, the wolf?
That song you listening to, ain't it? Up?
Yes, it is. Look, hold
Oh,
on.
it's 493.
Yeah, 493.
Oh, baby.
Dwayne says
Right
493. Oh, it's 470.
Oh, it's 470.
That's too many damn
For
songs.
real. You know what I do to get to my first song? Skip through the note, like on the side, show how many notes. I skip through the notes. Right? Push that note bar in my head.
This might have been an okay salad when I first got it.
Mm.
What?
Girl, always trying to eat. Oh Lord, my bad, y'all. Just
What the right do? Start crunching much?
y'all gonna be dancing with my hands. Just don't mind me.
I you about the crunch or something.
It do make me get crunk. Y'all ever just heard a song? I mean, and be so funky, it just make you get crunk. That's how some of these songs I be listening to have me. Then I like the art of crunk dancing, so I do that. I mean, I ain't no professed crunk dancer or nothing like that, but
Oh, you're a crunk
I like
dancer?
crunking. I like crunk dancing. Then I was watching Rise and I was like, you know, after, damn, what is his name? Old boy was telling the backstory about the dancing and everything. I'm like, you know, that's something that made me really want to really get into it, cause I mean, how could I say this? That's something, I don't know, that's just something I'm into, crunk dancing.
So you like crunk music?
You already know.
But you look funny crunk dancing. Your arms and legs too short.
Really? You ain't gotta like it.
I didn't say I didn't like it. I just said it looked funny.
It's okay. You don't have to like it. I like it.
You should.
She's just trying to be funny, saying I look funny, crunk dancing, but oh well,
It's like when you do
It's
your
exercise,
footloose.
baby. What?
When you do your footloose dance.
Now see, why you gotta bring up Footloose?
Well, what you mean?
Why you gotta bring up Footloose? Footloose, yeah, Footloose.
We got proof.
Me dancing to Footloose, yeah, that, I ain't gonna lie, that did look crazy, Lord. That was just wrong. And then that videotape me doing that, boy, I'm like, y'all dirty.
Dang, we still got this video.
Ain't
Yeah,
nobody about
I
to
got
show
it.
that video. Dude, y'all got a video of me crunk dancing.
Do we not?
Mm-hmm.
We still got it.
Mm-hmm. I know my Uncle Bob do.
Your Uncle Bob got it.
At one of our parties.
What party would that have been?
One of our birthdays.
What you eating?
Huh?
What you drinking?
Water.
Oh,
Why, what's up?
I wondered if you slipped a little vodka in there.
No, not tonight. I can do.
In water?
Not in water.
That's
Mm.
that's enough flavor about
I ain't even eat my shrimp yet. You see that, man?
it.
You full.
I'm getting there. But I'm not as full as I was when I was eating that pizza.
About the hurls all week.
Oh no. Seafood is my thing. I love seafood.
Dwayne.
He ate and passed. Oh no. He ate and passed out. Cause they get, y'all think our plates be big. These boys get monster plates. Even Lonzo. And once they eat, they pass out. I'm like, really? And if you ask me like, you want some more? Like, mm-hmm. Like, how can you go like that, bud?
So did you try your
They
fish?
young.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That was
Is
all
it
the
crisp?
same.
It's the most
Oh, yeah.
righteous fish.
Yeah,
on
The
the
most
market.
righteous
Yeah.
fish. You're right.
Yeah, with the ones that seasoning off the mouth. Keep it.
Out of bounds.
Boy, Tank knew what he was doing when he made these songs. God,
You
Huh?
talking
Let
about
me
the
see.
fish?
So you changed your playlist?
I'm listening to something else. What that make you was sad?
I'm just Lonzo passed out up that
I'm sorry, y'all. That song I love that song. I know in one of our lives I was playing about that. I was, mocking it, talking about when we, how he be doing his head and everything. But man, this song is the ish. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all, sorry we not talking too much to y'all. One, the food good, the music good, man. Pretty much ain't that much to say. What is you looking for?
I know that. Only I see that doing this.
Normally go on
Oh, the garlic. That playlist. That's not that
You on
I.
my playlist?
I don't know, am I?
What it say, Humpty?
Maybe.
That remember? They were like,
Mine don't have numbers on it.
No.
shoot, they were kept
On that
going
phone, no, it don't have
one.
numbers. I'm sorry, baby.
They were like,
You spit on my plate?
I did? Yeah.
you alright? Then I.
No.
You finished?
This is what I have: a piece, a little bit potato salad, all my shrimp, a fish and a half.
So you done?
No, I'm gonna eat the rest of this fish. The half a fish. But this one, no. Why are you doing that to my playlist?
Just don't.
Don't move stuff on my playlist, cause I have a system whenever I'm listening to some song, listening to my playlist, I know the order that it goes in, cause I like it straight. I don't shuffle. Every now and again I might shuffle, but I like say I'm listening to oh boy, say I'm listening to Tank. And I have so many Tank songs, then Silk, my songs like that in my list. And then I have the side where I go, like in the 500s, and I listen to Prince, or I listen to Humpty, or Kim, or or Big Frida, you hear me? Or just my New Orleans bounce, all my music. And somebody look like they're over here just switching it up. So when I'm thinking I'm about to listen to another Tank song, I probably be listening to something totally different. Girl, I swear to Jesus, Lord Jesus, if you put that little boy on my playlist, babe, babe, do not do that. I listen to my playlist when I go to school, right? Well, everywhere I go, I listen to my playlist. Stop. So, and it be just my luck. I'm listening to, Tank, when we and after he go, I'm thinking about, I'm listening to Effing With Me, Tank, it be, and folks back home see me. No, don't do that. No, ma'am. I'm gonna have to ask you to stop.
Oh man.
What
I ain't gonna lie, she be blowing it. I ain't about to lie, she be blowing it.
I don't have numbers on here.
Good. Mm-hmm.
I really like this song.
We should have went live.
Maybe we should have.
We should have went
I
live.
still could go live.
Cause now, I ain't gonna lie, I love y'all. I love doing these videos, but I don't know. For some reason, it's like I would have preferred to do the live because it's kind of boring. I ain't what. Cause I like being able to talk to y'all and y'all can talk right back to us, I ain't gonna lie, some days the girl be on her issue and, like, I don't want to do no live, let's do this video, but lately let's do a live,
You have issues on everything.
Yes, I do. I'm me. I'm me.
Hey.
Hey, baby. What you up to?
Nothing.
You gonna eat your fish?
No.
You want this fish?
Let me see your phone.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Nanny.
What?
I need it. I need it.
I'm still doing my version of that Tank song, boy. It's nice. It's really nice. I wanted to sing it in one of the lives, but Mel was like, nope, nope. Not unless you copyright it, which I know. And I was telling her, I'm like, this Tank song, she was like, just because you using the chorus or whatever, the verses are yours, so just whatever. I'm like, man, I'll do it as a mixtape. I love these songs.
You want it. It's my tablet. Oh, you don't eat my fish?
If you said.
No.
My bad. Look, fuck it.
Why are you cursing, babe? This is a video, not a live. Oh, no, you did, girl. Don't be...
I was going to delete some songs because...
Don't delete none of my songs, girl. The nerve.
I'm not hungry.
Me either. I'm done. You know, I can bring this with me to school and do a snack time or something.
And this is part of why we was doing lives. I'm just not
Don't be hungry like that.
What's up wrong with my tablet? I'm not wrong with my tablet.
You know what? I am gonna eat one shrimp. Alright. That's it. I'm done. I don't feel like I want to throw, you know, I don't feel like I want to borrow for anything like that.
Our tarts are good.
Thank you. She liked my tartar sauce, y'all. Man, she said she liked something, it got to be good. Cause she don't be telling nobody this stuff good, nothing.
I want the cat.
Oh, that's good. Learn your alphabet, baby.
I have one.
But that's not a cat, that's an elephant.
That's not. Oh, that's an interesting.
Oh, no.
That's,
Maybe I feel like eating it
that's
tomorrow.
large.
Yeah. Well, you know what? We both could do a snack time with what we have left, so I'll just
Wing.
Huh.
But I am giving the video tomorrow. I probably just
Now will I have this?
I don't know.
Go ahead,
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I probably go to Subway and get something from Subway and do a video.
Oh,
What?
this is messed up.
What?
Dirty boy.
Let's see you.
You know, whenever I start school, I intermittent fast, and it actually helped. Man, I gotta. I don't know.
Cut it on. Hear it. It's a good.
Y'all like the tails?
Not you here.
Yeah,
Nope.
The
I
tails
can't
are-
do the tails like that because
Why?
I don't need nothing sticking me in my mouth.
Did she really just say that?
You cut it
Yeah.
on. You cut it on.
What do you mean?
You cut it. Not you.
Oh, I heard it. Yeah.
No.
No, baby, I don't want.
You put it in your ear.
He's sleeping. He passes through the time like that.
Sorry, y'all. Excuse me.
No, it's mine. It's my fault.
There you go, baby.
Really, you gotta be sitting there looking like that?
What?
Look at him.
He look like
No, he look like he can't breathe.
He look like Marlon.
Oh man.
Hey, you heard old girl died on my 600-pound life? She was only 50 years old, man. She only did it 2 years ago. You know, like, is it really worth doing it?
Did she have complications from it? Is that why she died?
They don't never quite say what she died of. They just say she's 50 and she passed away.
Stop that.
I know I might get some flack from what I'm about to say.
Excuse me.
I know I'm gonna get flack. But my goodness, why are all the difficult women on my 600-pound life black? What they do that for, a little conflict because them other ones just do everything he say?
No, not all of them do that.
Majority of them do, except Steven. Steven didn't. Steven was
jerk.
Lord. No, Steven was a small brat. You think if my parents was alive, I could call him and be like, I'm hungry. Send me a pizza now!
And if you don't send it, I'm gonna call the police. Really?
I can do that to my parents.
Be like,
Oh,
go ahead,
be
call
like,
them.
oh. Well,
And
nice
guess what?
calling,
I'm gonna come over there when you call the police. All right. I'm gonna call the police and tell them that you're neglecting me. Really? Bro, you a grown man. Ain't no neglecting you, bro. You did that to yourself. That's why when the trolls be on here with that bull, I'm like, look, Ain't nothing you can come tell me, bro. I know I did this to myself. This is that and the other. Don't about your business because I'm laughing.
Y'all gonna go about y'all
I'm
business
clown.
with that.
You're a clown, and I'm clowning you. You know. And I'm like, you know, he really did his daddy some. I mean, he just really did his daddy dirty.
You saying
This
that?
stuff.
The thing that's really dirty though is that he said that he wanted to lose all his weight so he can go on a dream vacation with his mama. But he talk about his mama like a dog.
Mm-hmm. Talking about he blamed her and all that. Come on, man. What is it? You want to do this with your mama or you want to blame her? What do you want to do? Because that's ridiculous. At the end of the day, that's ridiculous what he do. And like, bruh, you did that to yourself. Your mama didn't do it to you. Your daddy didn't do it to you, and neither did your brother. You putting it all on them, but where your responsibility come in at? Then people come to help you, like that nurse came to help you. You gonna say she was trying to steal your TV and it wasn't even yours. You know,
That was
just crazy. It really was. Babe, if you're not hungry, why are you still eating?
Because I'm not full either.
I am.
I
Drink
just
of
didn't
water.
want to eat.
Oh, you drunk?
Like, I ain't eating nothing today.
Me either. And see, every time I do that, I can't eat. But you know what? I don't know. Maybe that's a good thing.
Oh, man.
I mean, I can eat a little bit and then that's
This
it.
mug is
Yeah,
cooked
that's a
to
good thing.
perfection.
So that's scallop, huh?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. That's why I was saying I love when I could just cut it with a fork. So good.
It really is. You know, I like my salmon scallop with a lime cilantro-like sauce. I remember I did that. We was up in here mad because it wasn't enough sauce.
Yep.
I got some scallops from my uncle, and I pan fried them. Well, no, I seared them on the grill. Oh my God. Flesh was tender and everything, and that lime just went, set it off. Set
It
it
really
off.
did.
Really, I'm going to say a citrus sauce. Because I had orange juice in the sauce too. Boy, that mug was off the chain. Ooh, that ketchup hot.
Would you put some in it?
Hot sauce?
Well, yeah. Well. I want to talk about that song, the song Red Bone by Childish Gambino.
I have some shout outs when she finished.
I'm going to talk about that on the quiche. I'll probably do it tomorrow on my video. But oh yes, I love that song. I really do. I don't care. The meaning and everything. I'm gonna talk about that tomorrow, y'all.
You want to do these shout outs?
Go ahead.
No, you.
No,
I'm eating.
I don't want to do it. You can do it.
All right. Happy birthday to Kiki Lee. She not hit into that old lady threshold.
Isn't it Sherry McMillan's birthday?
I don't know. Sherry McMillan?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
If it is, happy birthday to you, chick. Again, happy belated birthday to Prissy P and Nathan, Sarah Jane's Journey, her son, Nathan. Happy belated birthday to you guys. Hope it was wonderful, y'all.
Did you like shout them out in the video, like in your
In the
live?
live.
So do I have to repeat that?
What?
The names that I wrote down last night in the live.
I don't know.
You got GC Greaves, 1S, ones, I guess. Your number one subscriber. And East Dad and Alex Fisher and AJ Adventures.
And Casey Connection.
Douglas Fairchild. KC Connection. KC Detox Diva.
Ayana Curry.
Shelby Johnson.
Now, Ayana Curry, she was somebody that was here when I first started back, you know, you know, from a Walking the Fat Woman shoot. She's definitely been A1 from day one. Honestly, her and Tosh Time, they subscribed at the same time. So, yeah, actually, one from day one.
Velvet Anderson.
Velvet Anderson.
Boy,
Shout out to
Velvet.
you, Shay. Girl, I love your name, Velvet Anderson. I love it. But it's Velvet Tears, you know.
Oh, that's her name, Velvet Tears. My
You
bad.
did you put Velvet Anderson on there?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's cool.
Velvet Tears, shut up.
Why I put Velvet Anderson in there?
Cedric the Entertainer.
Oh, okay.
You know, you be like,
Oh, yeah.
they go get you. So you know they be, ow, ain't no woman. He was Velvet Anderson.
Pink Kisses, Nia Cherie. Tamika Chaplin. I thought I gave her one.
You did, but it don't matter.
Sophia Warren. Tanya Barlow. East Dad. I think I said that already.
It don't
Nate
matter.
Funk. Beatrice Miller. Jamie Alvarado. Oh, Jamie, come on. You're going to have to come a little earlier or something. Because the last two lives, you came in right at the end. Shelby Johnson. Mark, no, I wouldn't give Mark another shout out.
Mark 32.
Mark said he got his shout out.
Even though he could have said to push it down and pull your up later was mine, but I still love you, dude. I still love you.
But then he would be lying.
He said, "Keep you thief."
Yes,
You know that was Vel. But see, Angela, I could go with what Angela Clark said. Angela Tickle Clark. I could go with what she said. She was like, "You may have started it, but the Keish perfected it." Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
The
Yes,
nerve.
I did.
Okay. Shakia.
Shakia A.
No, she's changed her name.
Oh,
See,
it's-
keep up with it, baby. It's A. Shakia.
Oh, okay.
Kiki Lee. Well, I already gave you a shout out on your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Victoria Lovely. You wasn't at the top, but I ain't forget.
Oh.
Simply Made, Dean Perks, Compton Native, Brittany Baker, along with Don Cuppy and Yellow. Dwayne 504. That ain't his name. You know who he is. I'm sure y'all do too.
That's how around.
Marley Music, Miss Sharon Ragland, Just Tosh, Brittany Beats, EXO. That used to previously be Pink Barbie's Lifestyle. Latanya Stovall, Lisa D. I'm sorry, I forgot y'all. Because y'all
Yeah.
always there. My bad,
For
y'all.
real. And we genuinely forgot.
Shakima Henderson, Taisha Kendrick. I told you. And if I get to the other paper, she on there too. Nina, View is a View. Thank you. Be More Mike, Devontae West, Karen Lewis. Another one we truly forgot.
Yeah.
And also Rise 48. Bridget Cooper, J Charm 2, and Viper. And your people right
Is
there.
that Leroy?
No, that's Londa.
Oh. My BFF from, we go back like stocking caps and waves. Londa.
And that's your cousin. Brittany's sister.
And my cousin Kitty. Her birthday coming up next week. So, let me give her a shout out on her birthday.
I think that's it. You want to say anything else that's on this list that you saw?
I don't see nobody else.
Read the list.
I
Go
can't
from
see
one.
it.
Oh, go from one all the way down.
No.
Oh, I saw you saw it.
Nope.
Ah,
Nope. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
you want me to say it?
No.
You gonna say it?
No.
Why not?
No.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Well, she about to do something, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Till next time, I'll see y'all. I'm gonna plant you down and dig you later. Peace.
I'm saying.
Boy.
What? Say what? You ready to go night night?
Yeah, you ready?
You over there crying?
Yeah.
Oh, you ready? Okay. Well, until next time, y'all.
Yeah,
Go ahead. What you was gonna say?
I was just gonna shout out our mods again.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna shout out our mods. Mark 32, Sugar B, Just Janelle R, the Blake Asylum, Miss Fatball Cat, Shoney Pooh, Bird Burden. Anybody I forgot? My girl Shantae, girl, you already know. I cannot forget you. My baby right here. My baby. Mel baby. You know I can't.
No.
I ain't ever gonna forget you. Ever.
You about to go to
Oh, and we forgot one more person. Passionai Martinez. Shout out to you too, chick. Hope all y'all blessed. You ain't no mine. You ain't no mine. Anyway, put some content on your thing, and I'm gonna shout you out. Go on do it. Go on do it. Anyway, until next time, you guys. We hope y'all enjoyed this video.
I want a gumbo.
No. Well.
Did you buy them smoked turkey necks yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah.
I bought everything you asked me to get.
Okra. No.
Yeah, cause I'm
Did
gonna
you
do
get chicken
something.
legs like some shit like that?
Huh?
Yeah. All that.
Pour like something like that. One?
Chicken legs.
Yeah.
I don't know, but we can talk about that after we get
Where
off.
my shopping
Yeah,
list?
we
Where
got
my grocery list at? You know, I
My
do my
list.
grocery list.
Anyway, sorry about that. Anyway, until next
Why
time.
you said that like that? Why you
We
just
gonna-
couldn't say Shania?
But it's Passionaya.
Really?
Anyway, y'all, we love y'all. Take care.
But
be
that's
blessed.
a lot to say. Why you,
Have a wonderful.
you could have just went
wonderful
Shania
week.
Martinez.
Okay, well you just said it. Okay. No, you said.
But you said all
I
that.
said Passionaya. That's what's on there.
Oh, I did write that on there, huh?
No.
Oh, I did.
Anyway, we love y'all. Take care. Be blessed. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. And thank y'all for watching. Till next time, we're going to plant you down and dig you later because I know y'all can pick up what we are putting down. You
Now we gonna push it down. We gonna push it down and pick you
gonna
up
push
there.
you
You
down
heard
and pick
him?
you up.
There you
What you
go.
say, Nanny? That's for Nanny Channel. That's Nanny Channel, baby.
No, who came up with that? We gonna push it down and pick you up later.
Terrorists. Nah.
He's confused and delusional.
All right, y'all. Later.
I didn't know that video went that long and we ain't said shit.
Hey, boy, I should beat you up. You peed on me.
Curtis, when this thing go like that, it don't always.
He knocked that baby.
You hit my baby.
I didn't hit him.
Yep.
Curtis,
He pushed him like that,
you really
knocked him to the
don't.
floor.
You really don't want my trouble. Don't do him nothing like
I
that.
didn't hit him. He's a winning. He's a winning. Look, some Humpty Dumpty I can play for you. Okay, that ain't no Maria. But still.
Don't
Humpty
cry
Dumpty
about it. Beat him down.
Sit on
Beat
the
him down,
wall.
Lonzo.
Humpty Dumpty
Yeah, you need.
had a great fall. And all the key men couldn't bring Humpty.